So guys, we're playing Teardown, and we have a new mod, and that is handgun. It's a handgun, and I'm going to show you that.
En wie had Willa Gordon, huh? Yeah?
Go up, down, 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 down. Yes,
You're not shooting to the...
you can pew pew.
Show it what can do.
Yes, you can do that. Boom! Destroy the one hit that table. Go down! Woo! In the water! Woo! And now, there's fish.
In a pool?
Look.
How is spawn a fish in a pool, huh?
Look, there's fish!
In your pool?
Naturally, they are in my pool. Hey, fish! Die!
You're destroying your...
Look, the fish is destroyed.
Yeah.
And I have a fishing rod, but this is about this mod. Yes. Very satisfying. Yes.
Yeah, flowers, huh?
You know what I can do more?
They are fragile.
Boom!
What?
I can do that.
Destroy it, huh?
I can do kaboom!
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah! Cool. Very satisfying this is. Yes. Yeah!
Destroying it.
You hear that? A little silent. A little silence. We're gonna destroy. ASMR. Satisfying, yeah?
Yeah. The sound, huh? Crumbling, huh?
Yeah. That's satisfying. Yeah.
I better go inside.
Inside?
Oh, God. How damage the car?
Look at that statue over there.
Dolphins.
Now there's one dolphin. And now one dolphin. There's 0 dolphins now. This kaboom, bang bang, this water. The fish are dead now. Dead fish. Get me through. Who needs that? Unsatisfying. It is dong. Yep. Now we're just gonna satisfying. Destroy these stairs.
How you go up? Go up? If
You know how?
destroy. Oh, you can fly, huh?
Yeah. You don't remember?
Yeah, I forgot. This was art.
You see art? Where is the art?
There is no.
There's no art. What is that? I don't know.
Probably art.
And what? Yes. Yes. Flash adding. Yes.
The power of destruction, huh?
Bye every time. It's gone. We're gonna go to here. That's going to open up. Oh, it was going to open up, but I just destroy it. Yeah. Set like Cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Wow.
Yeah, cool, yeah.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Cool handgun destroying everything. Yeah.
Destroy that. There's a fire over there. What?
Oh, there is a fire. Yeah.
You know what we need?
You caused the fire.
Old fire extinguisher. Um, uh, Super fire extinguisher. Yeah, I have this. It's a super fire extinguisher. Is it gone?
Can you try your handgun on cars? Huh? Uh,
Yes, had them. I can try it. Hmm. There's cars over there. Who needs that bush? Yeah,
hmm.
destroy it. Satisfying. Let's see what's going to happen to this car. It's already destroyed. This one is.
Hmm.
Can it still work?
No.
It can still work.
It can still work.
Vehicle condition. Almost dead.
Yeah.
Um, we need to shoot more. With the ultimate, now this one.
Hmm. And damage other car too.
Satisfying. It's really satisfying. Explosive?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, satisfying. What's over there? Excavator? No, there is no X. There's just
Mm-hmm.
waiter. It's a waiter now.
Hmm.
Waiter. Now it's nothing. It's still something. Now it's nothing. There's a waiter still here. There's a waiter. A scoop. Die. Let's die. Dead. Please. What's this? No one needs it. Oh, it was the extra. I'm gonna shoot it in the do the kaboom in there. Yeah, so satisfying. ASMR.
SMR? What it means?
Like I don't know.
Never mind.
Yeah. Let's shoot at the water.
There's nothing in the water.
Ka nothing. Ka nothing. I just shot what?
Mm-hmm.
Great. I'm gonna shoot that and I'm gonna go. Huh. Destroy. Yeah. Oh yeah. The little pieces. Three. It's annoying me. It's a darker tree from the others. Destroy it! Imposter!
No
Wow.
lagging game. Oh,
It's lagging a little bit. Lagging.
I afraid to crash the game. Huh?
It's a little bit
Kaboom.
lagging, but. Cut down the tree. Minecraft.
The Villa Gordon still stands. Huh?
That?
Yeah. The
Kaboom! Hey! Why is it working? Yeah! Big explosion.
mm.
Cut! Boom! The legs are damaged. Or the something. Yep. Explosion. That's a big explosion. It's gonna get rid of these. Nothing is holding on. Yes, nothing is holding on. So what is he holding on? What is holding on? If I destroy this, the whole this is going to fall down.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Should I?
Yeah.
It's going to crash my game.
Really? It can crash?
Yeah.
We take a risk, huh? Okay.
Huh?
Oh my goodness.
Is it something still standing? Was it still standing?
Why is it standing, huh? Who holds it? No, but nothing. Still, huh? It is
Oh no! It's falling! It's falling! It's falling!
going. Get out of this.
Stop the whole
You
thing.
can pick up, huh? That whole
I-
thing, huh?
I just hear this noise, and that's it. Really
What
laggy.
happened? Very laggy. There is no Villa Gordon, huh?
It's gone.
It's gone, huh? Almost whole building, huh? After it collapsed, yeah?
I have the whole building. Just,
But many pieces fall apart, huh?
what's up? It's going to crash on that.
Or another building.
Yeah. Maybe it's failing on that way.
Okay, huh?
Ah, it's better now.
Better.
Yeah, better.
Not lagging. But what damage we have done, huh?
Look!
To this whole map, huh?
Is it so much damage, you know?
Hmm.
I picked up a table. Now what?
Now what we end, I have to end this video, I think, huh? It's
Yeah.
it showed that it's evening, huh?
We destroyed half of the whole this of the Villa Gordon.
Yeah.
Almost half. And it almost crashed our game.
Yeah.
Means Like and subscribe for this almost crashed PC.
Yeah.
And subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye.